In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the VPN protocol in ProtonVPN on your Windows app. This process is remarkably simple and will allow you to optimize your VPN experience, whether you're looking for faster connection speeds or reliable connections on restrictive networks. To begin, you'll want to open the ProtonVPN application on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, make sure you've downloaded it from the official ProtonVPN website and completed the initial setup. The app's interface is user-friendly and should be relatively familiar if you've used VPN software before. Once you have the ProtonVPN app open, direct your attention to the Settings area. You'll find the Settings icon. It typically looks like a gear symbol and is usually located in the left sidebar of the app. This icon breathes life into customization, allowing you to adjust various settings to match your personal preferences. After clicking the Settings icon, you will be navigated to the Settings menu. From the menu, select the option labeled Connection, which you will find on the sidebar. Here is where you can manage how your VPN interacts with your network. Within the Connection section, look for the part that talks about VPN protocol. VPN protocols are like different routes that your internet traffic can take when traveling through the VPN. Each protocol offers different features, so choosing the right one can greatly affect your online experience. To switch between protocols, click the drop-down menu located in the VPN protocol section. This menu will display a list of available options. Depending on the specific plan you are on with ProtonVPN, you may see various options such as WireGuard, OpenVPN, UDP, and TCP, and Stealth. The WireGuard protocol is fast and secure, making it a strong choice for most users. It's quick to connect and offers a great level of security. If speed and reliability are what you're after, WireGuard might just be the protocol for you. Next on the list, you have OpenVPN in two flavors, UDP and TCP. OpenVPN, UDP, offers a good balance between speed and reliability, suitable for various situations. On the other hand, OpenVPN, TCP, tends to be more stable on restrictive networks like school or workplace Wi-Fi, where connections might be tougher to establish. Lastly, if your ProtonVPN plan includes it, the Stealth protocol is there to help bypass VPN blocks and censorship, opening up access even in more controlled environments. Once you've made your choice, simply close the Settings menu. Now, reconnect to any VPN server and rest assured the new protocol will be actively in use, enhancing your internet experience tailored to your needs.